After your ab prep, let's do a half roll down. So we're sitting at the top of our mat. Our feet are quite close to the top. Knees are a little bit apart. Might need a bit of space for the tummy. I do. And we're going to use our hands on our shins. We're going to try and sit as tall as possible, shoulders back and down. Try not to have the head reaching forwards, so good position, nice and tall. So we're going to stay like this. We're on our sits bones. And from here, we can pick up that pelvic floor, tilt the pelvis like we did before, and start to roll back. We can slide our hands up to our knees and go back as far as you're comfortable that you know you can get back up again. Okay, so that's your half roll down. We're going back as far as we can and then sitting up tall again. So hands can be on the shins. You don't have to go back far. You can just hinge a bit. You'll feel the pull in your tummy and then back up tall. Little roll back, hold and back up tall. Inhale, exhale. Always when you come back up, draw those shoulders up, back and down. So roll them up, back and down into a good tall position. Imagine you have a string coming out the top of your head and someone is pulling that string and lengthening you through your body. Up on your sits bones. Now we tilt that pelvis, roll back a small bit with control and breathing out, up nice and tall. If you can do that, next step, we'll come a little bit closer to the top of our mat. This bit is fun. It can be uncomfortable, so your mat should be a bit thicker. So let's start nice and tall on our sits bones, which is the bones of your bum. Try and lift one leg off the mat. We're going to catch our ankle. I'm supporting my leg and my arm. And we're going to try and pick up the other leg. So your V-sit, one leg up, and then you can put them back down again. One leg up, get the other leg to join. And see if you can hold that position. From here, our next move is going to be to tilt the pelvis. So now we have a little curl or C in our back, and we're going to roll backwards, 3 rolls, and then we try and come sit up tall again. So let's try rolling back. Keep that chin tucked. 1, 2, 3. And up nice and tall. Draw those shoulders back and down. 1 foot down, other foot down. So, with your breath, if you're able, so next step is to add the breathing. Inhale, pick up the legs. Exhale. 1. Inhale up, exhale back. 3 rolls. Back up to a tall seated position. Draw the shoulders back and down, lengthen the body, and then we can step the feet down. That is your rolling like a ball. Great fun to do, and a good setup for later on when we're going to put our legs behind our head. It'll be fun, trust me. See you for the next one.